first. Hi, good morning. What is that, Elizabeth? Is that a clip?
No,
Oh,
uh,
what?
no, that's
Ah,
my.
it's like a spinning or something. Spin, 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 spin. Oh, I see. Hi, how are you today, Elizabeth? How are you?
I'm good again. I'm good again.
You're good again. Always good, right, Elizabeth? Always good. Okay, we are going to have our lesson, but before that, let us sing a song first,
I like
okay?
a play school. I like a play school.
What? You like to play the spoon?
Yeah,
Why
I know.
you want to play with the spoon?
Spoon.
Okay, sige. We are going to sing now, alright?
Kanina
Alright?
teacher. Tagal. Tagal
What
mo
po?
kanina teacher. Tagal mo kanina teacher. Tagal.
Okay, here we go. Let's just dance, okay? Let's dance.
Alam sam sam.
You want the ram sam sam? Okay, this one first. Oh. Tig,
Hey.
tig, 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 tig. Come on.
We're gonna do turkey,
Dance, dance, dance. Monkey,
monkey,
monkey, that's all
so
right. Come
fly.
on. Do the
Hey.
elephant.
The elephant,
Elephant.
to the elephant,
The elephant.
to the
Do the
elephant.
elephant. Do the
So
elephant. We're gonna jump. Come on.
we're gonna jump to the front and back,
Jump.
jump and back.
Jump.
We're gonna jump to the front and back.
Jump.
So
Jump.
right,
That's all right. We do
now
the
to the
tiger.
tiger,
Rawr.
rawr. To
What?
the tiger, rawr. Tiger, tiger,
Tiger then.
rawr. That's all
Rawr.
right.
That's all right. Come on.
Jump
Jump
to
to
the
the
front
front
and
and
back.
jack to the drum.
Jump to the front and back.
Okay.
Jump to the front and
Wow. You are very good at jumping. Good job. What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal?
um, giraffe. Hey, giraffe. Giraffe.
Okay, giraffe. All right, all right. So we are going to have na your reading, okay? Remember? Remember the sounds that we learned? Do not forget them, okay? All right. Okay, okay. All right, so let's have now the next letters, okay? Go, Elizabeth. Go, Elizabeth. Go, Elizabeth. Okay, now let us read a story. Let us read a story. Okay, let us read the story. I
I
I see
I see
I see
I see
I see
see
an I see an
and and I see an
what's this?
uh, egg.
Okay, can you say it again? I
I
see
I see
an
An
Eh,
and
what is this?
egg.
Okay, good job. I see an egg. Did you see an egg,
Yeah.
Elizabeth? Oh, we see an egg, no? It's an egg. Oh no. Oh no, it's an egg. Do you think this is an egg? Do you think this is an egg? Huh? Do you think
Yeah.
this is
She
an egg?
That
Yeah,
yes.
it could be an egg, no?
How
It looks, yes, it looks like an egg, right? Oh,
Yes.
yes, it does look like an egg. Very well. Nice one. I see an egg. How about this one? Well, there's another egg. What did it says? Hmm,
I see.
hmm. I have
I have
a,
a
what is this?
hanging.
What is that? I have a
I
fa.
have pa
What is that? Yay! Very good. I have a fan. Again,
That's fun.
yeah,
You
it's a fan. It is a beautiful fan, right? Yes.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful fan. Okay, can you do it? Remember these words. Remember this. This is I, the teacher. This is I have. I have
We
a,
have
a fa-
fun.
fan. Yes. Very good. I have a fan.
I have a fun.
Wow, I have a fan. Do you have a fan?
Yeah, that's a
I
fun.
have a fan. Look, teacher have a fan. A mini fan. Do you have like this also? You too?
Yeah,
Wow,
this a
that
fun.
is wonderful. Okay, I have a fan. How about number
I
3?
I made a fun.
You made a fan? Wow, really?
What's that?
That is the fun.
But
Oh, that is a fan. The elephant says that is a fan. Mm,
his
okay.
ears
Yeah,
beyond.
it's an ears. And the ant says, I have a fan. Yes. This is the ant's fan. Oh, okay. Next one, next one. It. Let's go. It. Okay.
It's
It.
it's
It is.
it is
It is.
it is
It is.
is
It is a
it is a
day. What is that picture? What is that picture? Oh, look at the picture.
we
What is that? It is.
is
It is.
is
It is.
is
Come on. It is a desk. Yes. What is this again? Can you say it? Can you say it? Can you read it? It is a desk.
Yes.
Okay, Elizabeth's desk. Is it Elizabeth's desk?
Yeah.
Your desk?
Yeah.
Oh, very well. How many desks do you have? Huh?
One lang.
One only. Okay, one desk only. Okay. That's good. That's wonderful. Okay. Now, ta 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 ta. Is it easy to read? Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the yes. Okay, so it is a desk. Oh, who said that? Who said that, Elizabeth?
Hmm?
It's the, who said it is a desk?
This it
Oh, what's that? Ah, it's the of the elephant. Okay, it's the back of the elephant.
yeah,
Oh, I see. I see. Oh, at the back of the. Oh, okay. Wow. What is it? What is? Okay, can you say it is?
is elephant
It is an
and
ele.
elephant.
Very well. It is an elephant. Oh no. It is an elephant. Is it an elephant? Huh?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh. Have you saw na an elephant before? Not yet.
Yeah.
A real
Not
Huh? Oh, not yet. Do you want to see a real elephant?
yeah.
Whoa, me too. I want to see a real elephant. You're not gonna get scared? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, good job, Elizabeth.
Elephant.
Huh?
I love baby elephant.
Oh, you love baby elephant. How about mama elephant?
I love to.
I love it too. Very well. Do you want to have an elephant inside your house?
No.
Why?
Farm. Farm.
Ah, okay. In the farm lang. Okay. All right. So,
Live on the farm.
you live on the farm. Oh, you want to live on the farm?
No, I like
Uh,
the house. Young. I live
wow,
on
look
the
at this.
house.
Oh, this is the
I live in
farm.
the house. I live on the house.
You live in the house. Okay. Now. What can we see on the farm?
Huh?
Now, let's get here.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
F. Okay.
Song.
Let's listen and sing.
A.
Okay?
Look and listen.
Okay.
Sing along.
Sing along. Come on. Dun, 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 dun.
An apple, an egg, a bird, a cat, a duck.
A
It
duck.
is a farm,
Come on. Sing with
a
teacher.
farm, a
A
farm. It
is
is a
a
farm, a farm, a farm. It is a farm.
farm. Oh, come on.
An
Come on.
apple, an egg, a bird, a cat, a duck.
Duck.
It
It
is
is
a
a
farm.
farm. Oh, come on. An apple. Yes.
Apple,
An
a
egg, a
bird,
bird,
a cat,
a
a duck.
duck.
It
It
is
is
a
a
farm.
farm.
A
A
farm,
farm, a farm.
it
It
is
is
a
a
farm.
farm,
A
a
farm,
farm.
it
It
is
is
a
a farm.
farm.
It is a farm.
Apple, an egg, a bird, a cat, a
A
duck.
duck.
It
It
is
is
a
a
farm.
farm. Yay! It's a beautiful farm, right, Elizabeth?
Yes.
Oh, yes, perfect. Oh, where are you going? No, sir, I'm dizzy. Okay, now this time, Elizabeth, let us have a review. Okay, now we have the letter A. Elizabeth, what is the sound of letter A?
Ah.
Ah, ah. Okay, ah. So which of this picture, oh, look at teacher, which of this picture starts or begins with the A sound?
Yeah. A.
It's for,
That's not A.
eong, eong. Where is the A here? It's the ant, right, Elizabeth?
Yes.
Okay,
Not
very
C.
well. Very well.
Not
Now, what's the next letter? A, B. Okay, what is the sound of letter B? What is the sound of letter B?
B.
B. Very good. B. Now, which picture begins with the B sound? Which picture begins with the B sound? Which one? B is for?
B is for dog. B is for dog.
B is for dog. B, 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 b. Is it A, bed, B, fan, or C, dog? B, 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 b. It's the, where is it? It's the,
It's B. B is for dog, and A is for ant.
no. Okay, number one says, what is number one? This is number one is
It's a bed.
okay,
That's
number
my
two is
bed.
number two is
That's my bed. That's my bed.
that's your bed. This is a fan, and this is a dog. Now, which picture or which word begins with the letter B? Which picture or word begins with the B sound? B, b, b. Where is it? 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 It is the. Can you tell teacher? Come on. It is the.
Bed. 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 Bed.
Bed. Very good. You got it. Yay! High five, teacher. High five, teacher. High five. Very good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, next one. What's the next letter?
Huh?
What's the next letter? A, B, and then?
And then
Hmm?
C.
C. Oh, very good. C. Wonderful. Good job. Okay, C. Okay, C, C, C. Now, which picture? I think there's no C here. Okay, let us have with E. No. Let's have F. Okay, what letter is this?
F.
Letter.
F. Letter.
Okay, letter F.
F.
What is the sound of the letter F? What is the sound of the letter F? F, 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 f. Okay. Now, which one here or which picture here begins with the F sound? Which one?
This begin.
Number what? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number
One.
1?
One
Are you
only.
sure? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Mm,
Yeah.
no. No. Let's try again. Let's try again. Number.
That.
What number?
This.
Number.
This fun. Fun.
Number 1. Oh, look at here lang. Look at here. Is it number 1, number 2, or
Yeah.
number 3?
Number one.
No. 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 That's. Uh-huh.
No. Fun. Fun. Begin with
Okay.
the F.
It's that number 3. Yes. Why number 3, teacher? What is that? What is that, man? That is a four.
Four.
Yes. It's a
Begin with
four. It's
and
a
fun.
4.
Begin with the fun and fork.
Oh, the fun and the fork. It's the fun. Tug, tug, tug. It's the fork. Tug, tug, tug. It's a fun. It's a fun. It's a fork, fork, fork. Okay. Very well. Now, good job. Do not forget, huh? Do not forget them, okay? Okay. Okay, nice one. Now, here we go. Let's have letter C. What letter is this?
C.
C. Okay, letter C. What is the sound of the letter C?
C.
Mm. Mm. What is the sound of letter C? Okay, letter C. Letter C is k, 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 k. K, 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 Okay. All right. K. It's a K. Very well. So, which picture here? Okay, Elizabeth. Which picture here shows, or which picture begins with the K sound? Which one? Which one there?
This.
Where?
This. And cat. Cat.
Cup. Yes,
This.
it's the cup.
And
Yes,
yeah.
I'm sure. High five! Yay! Very good. Okay, it's a cup. Wonderful.
Yes,
Nice one.
and
Uh.
a
Okay, what's the next letter?
and a cat.
Mm. Okay, it's a.
A
Okay. So that is letter D. What is the sound of the
D.
letter D? What is the sound of
D.
the letter D?
D
D is
for
D, 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 D. D, 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 D. It's the D sound. Okay, D sound. So which picture here shows the D sound? Which do you think? Which do you think? Is it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Is
D.
it number 1, number 2, or number 3?
No.
No? Which one? D sound. Which one sound or begin with the D sound? D sound. D, D, D. Come on. Go, go, go. You can do it. Which one here? Which one here? Which one?
Which one?
Uh-huh. Where is it?
This
Where is it?
one.
Oh no. Where is it? Where is it?
Where is it? Where is it?
Where is it? It's the number
It's
1. What is that? What is that? That is the
That is the
Come on, tell teacher. You already know that. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. It's a desk.
Yes.
One more time. You forgot. One more. It's a
desk.
very good. So desk starts with the D sound, right? Yes, the D sound. Wonderful. And how about number 3? What is that, Elizabeth? What is that? What is that? It's a what is that? Look at teacher. Look at teacher. What is that?
Letter B. B. B.
Ah.
B. B.
The come on, the teacher. It's a
It's a
dog. Duck. It's a duck. Okay, very well. Please do not forget and remember the words. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I know you can do it. 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 Can you give teacher a high five? Can you give teacher a high five? Yeah. Okay. We're gonna have a quick break, and go back again and enter the Zoom. Okay? Drink some water, go to the bathroom, quick, and I'll see you in a while. Okay? You did very well. Bye-bye.
Okay.